Question 2. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and products of its zero respectively. Example first, 1 by 4, comma minus 1. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a is equal to given is 1 by 4. Product of 0 is equal to c by a is equal to minus 1 means minus 1 by 1. In both cases, a value different, therefore equalize a value. Therefore, product of 0 is minus 1 by 1. Therefore, denominator multiple 4, also numerator multiple 4 is equal to minus 1 into 4 minus 4 by 1 into 4, 4. In both cases, a is 4, b is minus 1, c is minus 4. Quadratic equation is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a 4x square plus b value minus 1x plus c value minus 4. Example 2. Root 2 comma 1 by 3. Sum of 0 is equal to minus b by a, but given root 2 means root 2 by 1. Product of 0 is equal to c by a is equal to given 1 by 3. Equalize a value. First fraction denominator multiple 3, also numerator multiple 3. 3 into root 2 product 3 root 2 by 3 1 are 3. In both cases, a value 3, b is equal to minus 3 root 2, b is equal to minus 3 root 2, c is equal to 1. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a3x square. b is 3 root 2x, b is minus 3 root 2x plus c is 1. Third example, 0 root 5. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a is equal to 0 by 1. Product of zeros is equal to c by a is equal to root 5 by 1. In both cases, a value 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to root 5. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. a1x square plus b0x plus c is root 5. Example 4, 1, 1. Product of 0 minus b by a is equal to 1 by 1. Sum of 0 c by a is equal to 1 means 1 by 1. In both cases, a value 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Minus b is equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1. c is equal to 1. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. a1x square b minus 1x plus c is 1. Example 5, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Sum of 0 minus b by a is equal to minus 1 by 4. And product of 0 is c by a is equal to 1 by 4. In both cases, a is 4. Therefore, a is equal to 4. Minus b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to 1. c is equal to 1. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. a4x square plus b1x plus c